Welcome guys.
I am Vaishnavi from 7th standard of Ideal Global School, Basva Kalyan.
I am Samruddhi Patil from class 7th Ideal Global School.
We are
Here to brief you about history of historical place Anubhav Mantapa present in Basva Kalyan.
I am Sadhna. I am studying in 8th standard. I am standing here as a part of the competition. Know our city. I am from Government Adarsh Vidyalaya Rajola School, Taluka Basva Kalyan.
My name is Rishita. I am studying in 7th standard of Nanapriya School, Basva Kalyan as participant of Know Our City.
Anubhav Mantapa is established by Basavanna and it is the religious complex of Basva Kalyana, Bidar district, Karnataka.
Anubhav Mantap is a 12th century public assembly and gathering form in Basva Kalyan, Karnataka. It was established by Lord Basveshwara in a 12th century social reformer. The literary meaning of Anubhav Mantap is Hall of Experience.
Do you know why Basavanna is famous for the place Anubhava Mantapa? Basavanna was a philosopher and a social reformer who fought against social evils of his time, such caste system and the ritual practices of Hinduism.
When was Anubhav Mantapa established? Basveshwara taught that surrounding oneself to Shiva with the total devotion was only the path to solution. He declared that work is worship. He wrote his vachanas in simple Kannada that resemble to spoken language of the common people.
Anubhav Mantapa is the first religious parliament in the world. It is an academy of mystic saints and philosophers. It is meant to the attack of people from various walks of life to openly discuss spiritual and economic social issues.
What are the fundamental principles of Anubhav Mantap? The fundamental principles of Anubhav Mantap are summarized as follows. All are equal. No one is high or low by sex, birth, occupation. Women has equal rights of boys.
What is the pen name of Basavanna? The pen name of Basavanna is called Kudala Sangama Deva. The exact year of Anubhava Mantapa established by Basavanna is 1162 CE and it was the source of all strict and philosophical idea relating to human values.
As we all know that Basavanna established Anubhav Mantapa, then what are their objectives? The objectives of Anubhav Mantapa are discussing social, economic and religious without discriminating between gender or caste. Anubhav Mantapa is the first religious parliament in the world. It is the academy of mystic saints and philosophers. It is meant to the attack of various lives of work to openly discuss spiritual, economic and social issues. In Anubhav Mantapa, there were 770 Sharanas. The few are Sri Basaveshwara, Channa Basavanna, Ambiga Chodaya, Madivala Mateshwara, Akka Mahadevi, few others. This is the model of newly constructing Anubhav Mantapa.
Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa laid the foundation stone for the construction of a new Anubhava Mantapa at Basva Kalyan in Bidar district. Anubhav Mantapa project is 650 crore project scheduled to be completed with 2 years on a 9.7 hectare area.
Before laying the foundation stone, the Chief Minister took the pledge that the construction should be completed in next 2 years.
The Mantapa will be 770 pillars to be believed that 700 Sharanas followers of Basaveshwara.